Jen and welcome back to my channel. Now, this video is going to be very difficult for me to get through, and I hope you can stay and get through this video with me. I'm being very dramatic because I am setting up a goal for myself that I hope I can actually achieve. I have a list of items here on my phone, and it's not a long list, but I have quite a bit of products that I want to try to set a goal for myself and see if I can actually reach it. So basically I have to empty 2 products that are in these little categories before I can buy one. And this is because I have a lot of makeup, and I'm not going to do this with eyeshadow because I would completely fail. I would completely fail, guys. I cannot go through eyeshadow at all. Like, if I hit pan on an eyeshadow, it is a miracle because that means I freaking love it, and or it is something that I'm afraid is going to be like limited edition and I'm going to run out of it. I'm one of those psycho people, y'all. And I don't know, you guys might be that way too. But like I said, I have a list of products here and I have to finish 2 before I can buy one. And basically what made me do this was when I bought the Rimmel foundation. And I absolutely love it, guys, and I really do want to use a crap ton of it. I want to just keep using it and keep using it, keep using it. But this is what happens to all of us out there. We buy a new product and we just use that until we buy the next product. So basically, this is a goal I am setting for myself. If you guys want to do this too, I definitely, want you guys to do it because I feel like it is going to be empowering for me to set this for myself, and then I'm gonna do up like a follow-up video if I get one category empty or finished or anything like that. And then I'll show you guys the products that I've actually emptied, and if I actually have bought another one to replace the 2, then I will show you guys that too. But that's gonna be in a future video because this, of course, is the beginning of the journey. The products that I am going to be going through, I'm going to give you a number count too, because foundations I have 12, and I actually have another one coming. It's a BB cream. I still count that as a foundation because it is a face covering product. So I will be doing a video on a Korean BB cream because I'm freaking excited for that. But counting that too, even with my new Rimmel, I have 12 foundations, guys. 12. That is an insane number for one person who only does makeup on themselves. And like occasionally I do makeup on other people, but for the most part I just do makeup on myself. That's a crazy amount to have and to just store. So I'm going to be finishing up 2 of those before I buy one. I'm hoping to finish up more than that, but like I said, I will give you guys an update and let you know, whenever I do actually achieve my goal of finishing 2. That I'm going to try to be a little better about this. Out of concealers, I have 5 concealers. That's a crazy amount. I'm just like, I don't need 5 concealers. Yes, oh, I actually have 6. I forgot one. I forgot the Shape Tape. I have the Shape Tape, and I've never done a video on that either. But I have 6 concealers. So I have 6 concealers. I don't need 6 concealers. They're gonna go bad. I have 5 different eyeshadow primers. I want to at least get through 2 of those as well. That's crazy amount of... Or no, I have 8 eyeshadow primers. Holy moly, I have 8. I have 8 eyeshadow primers, and I need to go through 2 of them. And then out of brow pencils and like pomades, I have 12. 12 of them. Yeah, so I have way too many of these things, and I realized I have way too many of these products, and especially ones that I'm just like holding on to because like one day I might use them. So I'm just like, I'm gonna go through these products and I am going to use 2 before I buy another one, and then that way also I can see what products I actually want to repurchase, because if I'm just using something when it comes out and it's just sitting there and I'm just not even using it because I found something else, what is the point of having it in my collection? So basically, I'm gonna force myself to go through these products. So some of these products you may be seeing repeating themselves in quite a few of my videos. So please bear with me, guys, while I'm using these. I'm gonna try to use them on a day-to-day basis too. And yeah, and I was definitely not going to put lipsticks in this category because I just can't. I cannot do that. Lipsticks, eyeshadows, they can't be in this list. So if you want to put them in your list, you can, but they're not going to be in my list. I am not setting a time goal for this. I am just setting basically a year goal, I guess. Like, this is something I want to do. I want to find the products in my collection that I really want. And that way too, I'm not just buying things and storing them like crazy. I didn't want to put mascaras in the list because I go through mascaras pretty frequently. I have like a whole stack over here of mascaras that I have went through, used, or they're like hella old. So yeah, that is the end of this video, guys. I challenge you to do this too if you really want to, but it is going to definitely be an experience. So that is the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and please leave me a comment below of if you're doing this or not. Like, I would really love to know if you guys are planning on doing this too. And until next time, bye guys.